x, negative 5 plus 1, negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Okay? Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Okay, now minus. Okay, so minus, kita akan dapat negative 5x minus negative 5 is 0. And then negative 8 minus negative 5. So negative 8 plus 5 lah. We get negative
2.
Negative 2. Mungkin tulisan saya tadi.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Okay, so negative 8 minus negative 5 give us negative 3. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, the answer is we take the polynomial here, okay, as the first answer, okay, x square plus x minus 5, okay, and then the remaining term is negative 3. So negative 3 over x plus 1. Okay? Yang ini macam konsep, kalau siapa-siapa ingat lagi dulu-dulu kita ada belajar kan, kita buat 11. Contoh. Sorry. Tak nampak. 11 over 2 is actually come from 10 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Betul tak? 11 over 2 is equals to 10 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 5 plus 1 over 2. How do we get this? Macam mana kita dapat benda ni? Okay, sebenarnya dia pun datang daripada pembahagian panjang jugalah. Okay, ini saya tunjuk. Okay, 11 divided by 2. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. And then we get remaining 1. Okay, 1 as the remainder. Okay, so how to write the answer? 11 over 2 is equals to 5 plus 1 over 2. Plus here. And then 1 over 2. Alright, so dapatlah jawapan yang sama. So kita guna konsep yang sama. Okay, the answer on top we put as the first polynomial and then the remainder over the denominator. Okay, is it okay class? Boleh buat?
Okay, Doktor.
Okay, any question?
No, Doktor.
No, okay, good. Okay, so if no question, is there anybody record this? Ada siapa yang record? Tak ada
Saya record.
Ah?
Saya record.
Saya tu kejap ya. Saya Cifong. Okay, Cifong record Okay. So good. Thank you Cifong. So nanti Cifong share lah dengan kawan-kawan, okay? So walaupun sekejap kita punya kuliah hari ni, tapi saya harap ada something you get lah from this lecture. Okay, good. Next, let's move to section 7.1.3, factoring and root of polynomials. So how to factorize the polynomial? Okay, so this subsection is about finding the roots of all values of x such that polynomial equals to 0. Means we need to solve the polynomial. Okay, finding the root means we solve the polynomial. Okay, how to solve the polynomial? Okay, kalau awak ingat lagi, in one of the polynomial is quadratic function. Okay, quadratic function. We have fx equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, So how to get the root of this polynomial? By factoring this function, betul tak? So we need to let this fx equals to 0. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So then we factorize this left hand side. Betul tak? Betul tak? Kita factorize. So dapat xx 1 1 plus plus. Okay? So we factorize. So this, we do the same thing to find the root of polynomial. So we need to factorize the polynomial. So factoring is the most frequently method used to find the roots. Okay, sometimes you need long division. Sebab tu saya kata very important lah. You need to master this process, this the method. Okay, how to divide polynomial. Okay, the degree of the polynomial shows how many roots the polynomial will have. Okay, macam kita ada quadratic. Okay, quadratic function. So quadratic function, okay, the degree is 2. Okay, the degree is 2. So we know at most the root of this polynomial is 2. Okay, not more than 2. It can be either 2, 1 or no root. Okay, ini kita dah discuss. We already discussed this in chapter 5 tak silap saya. Okay, in chapter 5. Okay, how to find the how to solve polynomial, how to solve quadratic. Okay, so if we have 3 degree, polynomial of 3 degree ataupun cubic, kita panggil cubic, so we know that the maximum root of cubic function is 3. Okay, tak boleh lebih daripada 3, not more than 3. Okay, so now let's discuss this example 7.3, how to find the roots of this given function. Okay, let's do A. Okay, we have px equals to x squared minus 4x. So how to factorize this? Okay, ada siapa-siapa nak tolong? Nak bagi idea? How to factorize this? Tak ada. Nak kena panggil nama ke? Yang ni kan senang, kuasa 2 je, quadratic function. Mesti dah tidur. Kelas, ada orang? Ada. Apa dia?
X plus 2, X minus 2.
How do you get the answer? Macam mana dapat x plus 2, x minus 2? First we look at these two terms. Both terms have x. Okay, kita ada x square and x. So we know that we can factorize x. Okay, we can factorize x. So for the next line, we have x in bracket. Okay, so we factorize x, so only x leave for the first term. And for the second term, we have 4. Okay, so x times x is x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Okay, now, okay, the root. Okay, so let's, we need to assign p x equals to 0. Okay, so x, so ini kita rearrange this. Okay, give us, okay, x equals to 0. Another one is x minus 4 equals to 0. Betul tak? Okay, so what is the root of these functions?
X equal to 0 and X equal to 4.
Good. Ada dua. X equals to 0 and X equals to 4. Alright, so you need to show the step. you need to assign the polynomial as 0. Okay, and then left hand side equals to 0, and then you need to factorize. Okay, any question class? Ada soalan? Ada soalan? Okay, tak ada, kita teruskan. Selagi tak ada soalan, kita teruskan. Okay, let's move to question B. Okay, we have x with exponent 4 minus 16 equals to 0. Okay, how to solve this? How to get the roots of this function? Macam mana? Ada siapa-siapa nak share idea?
X square tolak 4, X square plus 4.
Okay, good. Siapa tu?
Amir.
Amir. Okay, bagus Amir. So Amir kata kita kena factorize sebab nampak dekat sini. Okay. Kita ada minus 16. So we know that 16 come from 4 square. 4 square. So kita boleh jadi, kita ni boleh jadi sebagai kuasa 2 lah. Tapi ni kali ni kita ada kuasa 4. We have exponent 4. So actually we can factorize this as x square plus 4 x square minus 4. Okay, x square times x square give us x in exponent 4. And then x square times negative 4 is negative 4x square plus 4x square. So already gone, terms for x square. And then 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Okay, alright. So now can we get the solution or value for x? Boleh tak? Boleh kan? So actually this is exponent, polynomial with degree 4. So we know we have at most 4 roots. Okay, at most 4 roots. So kalau kita factorize, kita ada 4 brackets. Kita ada 4 brackets. So kita boleh factorize yang ini. Okay. Ini boleh factorize tak? Tak boleh kan? But we can factorize this one. So yang ini x square plus 4. And this one is x minus 2, x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, this one. This one give us this. Okay, yang ni tak boleh factorize. Okay, now we need to solve each bracket. Okay, each bracket. For the first bracket, we get x square plus 4 equals to 0. Betul? X square plus 4 equals to 0. So can we get value for x, class, from this equation? Boleh? Macam mana?
Complex number. Dia jadi complex number.
Macam mana dia jadi complex number?
Sebab negative square root.
Negative square root.
Square root negative 4.
Square root of negative 4. Bagus. Okay. So, kita ada, okay, ini semua dalam complex number. Hari tu dah test, dah tanya dalam test. Suppose you know how to get the value. So, x square equals to negative 4. And then, x is equal to plus minus square root of negative 4. Alright. So now we know that square root, if the index is even number, the index is even, then, and if the, apa kita panggil nama ni? Saya tak ingat dah nama dalam ni. Okay, if the number inside the square root is negative, so we know we will get not real number. We will get a complex number, imaginary number. Okay, so x is equal to plus minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 4. Okay, ini sama je. Okay, so we separate negative 1 and 4 so that we can get value for square root 4. Okay, this gives us plus minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And square root of negative 1 is I. Alright? Boleh kelas? Boleh?
Boleh doktor.
Okay, okay. So ini
Boleh doktor.
Alhamdulillah good. Terima kasih. Okay. Next, kita dah dapat two roots. Okay, for this polynomial. Next, we need to find another 2. Okay, another 2 come from here, from these two brackets. Okay, from the first bracket, the second bracket, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0, x equals to 2. And for the last bracket, okay, kita akan dapat x plus 2 equals to 0, therefore x equals to negative 2. So from here, the root of these polynomials are negative 2, sorry, kita tulis macam ni, x equals to negative 2, 2, negative 2i, and 2i. So we have 4 roots. Okay, 1, 2, negative 3, and 4. Alright, boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh, okay. Ada soalan? Any question? Okay, kalau tak ada, let's move to the next question. Okay, yang saya akan bincang nombor C and D, it will be your homework. Okay, this one, it will be your homework. Okay, let's discuss C. Okay. So, C, kita ada x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so how to factorize this? Or how to find the root of this polynomial? Okay, so you need to follow this step. Okay, the first step, just find the terms with no x, which is negative 3. Okay, find the terms with no x. Okay, ke sini, find constant. Okay, find constant. And then get factor or all factors of the constant. Okay, so dalam contoh ni, our constant is negative 3. So what is the factor of negative 3? 3. Okay, apa faktor bagi 3? 1, 3. Yes, good. 1 and 3. 1 dan 3 sahaja. But we have negative here. Okay, negative here. So either negative times positive or positive times negative. Betul tak kelas?
Ya.
Okay. So either negative times positive or positive times negative. So we have four options. Okay, we have 4 options. Which are, okay, either negative 1 or 1, negative 3 or 3. Ada 4 values that can be solution to this polynomial. Faham tak kelas? So dia tahu factor of these three is number 3 is 1 and 3. 1 and 3.